सलमान खान की दरियादिली से तो हर कोई वाकिफ है। इतने बड़े सेलिब्रिटी होने के बावजूद भी वो कितना सिंपल रहना पसंद करते हैं, इस बात से हर कोई वाकिफ है। उसी के चलते सलमान खान ने बीइंग ह्यूमन की एक इलेक्ट्रिक साइकिल लॉन्च की है। सलमान ने ये साइकिल वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे पर लॉन्च की। आपको बता दें कि सलमान साइकिल के लॉन्च पर अपने भाई अरबाज खान के साथ साइकिल पर ही पहुंचे थे, जहां सलमान ने अपने कुछ मूवमेंट्स शेयर किए।
So Salman sir, tell us, the brand Being Human has been amazing with its line of fashion and jewelry. So I guess the question on everybody's minds here is, why cycles?
I've always been riding cycles since I was a child. I remember my first cycle, Dad got on rent at 25 paisa.
Right.
And he held my seat and he pushed me ahead. I thought he was still running behind me. And then after some time when I looked back, he was just standing somewhere else and I was riding on my own. So that one connect has always been there. And Dad at that point in time didn't do so well. He was like struggling as a writer and actor and stuff like that. So I remember the first cycle that he bought me was a chopper. And then after that he bought me, in those days, a cycle for 3,000 rupees, when his salary at that time must have been about 750 to 1,000 rupees. So it was like really nice of him to do that for me at that point in time. It was a rally grifter. And then that cycle journey continued, and I've used so many films as well. The last film I rode a cycle was in Kick, Maine Pyar Kiya, and every film that I get a chance, I ride a cycle. Even on Tube Light right now, we've been riding cycles throughout.
Fantastic. It's amazing to hear that story, and you have such amazing childhood memories, and we can all relate to them as our first stories of riding cycles. And today, it is your one of your dreams of launching your own cycle.
So we all used to go to Indore for our holidays, vacations.
Right.
And there was this one moped that was called Luna.
Right.
And since that time I had this thought that the body of the vehicle should be so light that even if you run out of gas, you could pedal. Sure. And then we used to see villagers with their wives, with their children, cycling, for miles and miles. So at that point in time, Atul sir and me worked together on Suzuki. I was the brand ambassador, he was heading Suzuki. So even that time I used to tell Atul sir, some jugaad a cycle, some jugaad we should do that, it's like cheaper, it's safe, it'll just make, commuting from point A to point B very easy. So kept on throwing ideas till the time we both were thrown out of Suzuki. And then we thought that we should start something on our own. And this is our jugaad now, the e-bike, which I've tested over like a year and a half now, and I've been riding them everywhere. In one award function, even Shah Rukh and me rode it, and I ride them from Panvel back. So if you pedal with it, even on flyovers, you can touch like a really good speed. So this cycle does about 25 kilometers an hour, and you can ride it without pedaling for about good 40 kilometers, but we say 30. 30 is also more than enough.
आपको बता दें कि सलमान की इस साइकिल को चलाने के लिए किसी तरह के ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। सलमान ने बताया कि कैसे यंग जनरेशन को तेज मोटरसाइकिल नहीं चलानी चाहिए। उन्होंने बताया कि साइकिल तो ठीक है, लेकिन मोटरसाइकिल तो सड़क हादसे का सबसे बड़ा कारण बनता जा रहा है। सड़क पर रेस करते मेरे एक दोस्त ने अपनी जान गंवा दी थी।
We see a lot of youngsters riding cycle and getting into racing and all on roads. Would there be any piece of advice that you would be giving to them?
That's cycle or motorcycle?
Cycle.
Cycles are okay. I think motorcycles are really dangerous for them as well as for other people around. And I see, because we shoot at Film City, so that highway, I see a lot of these people, racing and very recklessly. And in fact, when they used to have this race at the Reclamation, I have lost a friend of mine there. So I'm against that. अगर race करना है तो फिर जाके race track पे race करो. don't bet and race on the main road and put yourself in danger and one innocent person who's traveling as well.
सलमान खान की बीइंग ह्यूमन साइकिल की कीमत 40,000 से 57,000 रुपए के बीच में है। बता दें कि सलमान खान इन दिनों अपनी फिल्म ट्यूबलाइट के प्रमोशन में जुट गए हैं। एक के बाद एक वो कई इवेंट्स में शामिल होते हुए भी नजर आ रहे हैं। कुछ दिनों पहले तक वो अपनी आने वाली फिल्म टाइगर जिंदा है की शूटिंग में व्यस्त थे। उनकी फिल्म भी ईद के मौके पर ही रिलीज हो रही है। NMF न्यूज की रिपोर्ट।